Hello everybody, ciao a tutti e benvenuti in un'altra lezione di italiano. Oggi voglio fare, today's lesson is about how to pronounce the Italian vowels, come pronunciare le vocali in italiano. Il mio canale YouTube Speak Italian with Daniela, and I'm going to upload more videos about Italian grammar and Italian culture. So let's start. Iniziamo. The vowels in Italian are 5. So let's start with the first. The A in Italian is A. A. And the pronunciation is like in the words cup, cup, and father, As you can see, in English, you have this sound of the vowels that can change even if they are written with different letters. For example, here there's a U, and here there is a, but we pronounce with a, like the a in Italian. In Italian, down below, I've written some examples. When you see this letter, the pronunciation is always a. So, pasta, fragola is strawberries, fragola, and the female nouns Anna is not N, is Anna, Carla, and the male noun Andrea. This is very important. A, always A. When you see this letter, A, pasta, fragola, Anna, Carla, Andrea. The pronunciation in Italian is very open because we have the vowels that are always pronounced in the same way, and they are you have to pronounce all the letters because this is a Latin rule, because Italian is a Latin language. So it's different from the English sound and pronunciation. So let's keep going on, and we have E. In English is I, in Italian is E. And there are two kinds of accent. The E, open E, like for example the word best, e, and the close E, like in the word way, E. So E, open, close, E. Best, E, way. The Italian word, one can be for the open E, is the verb to be, essere. We have E, the first E is open, E, then we have the second and the third that are closed. So essere. Okay, so we have one word with the two sounds. So essere is the first is opened, the second and the third are closed, and is the verb to be. Another example with E close is neve, and both E in Italian, so E, both E are closed. So E, neve, it's snow. The letter, the vowel I in English is I, in Italian is E, like, for example, the pronunciation of the words kid or miss. E is, there's no stress sound, so it's not like the word tree, is E. Kid, miss, like in the Italian words, piccolo is short, piccolo, short and also young, piccolo, or questi, these, questi. Okay, remember the pronunciation in Italian of this vowel. So we have another example, another vowel with two different sounds. So we have again close sound and open sound. So close sound, like for example the word or, okay, or, and the open sound like in the word, English word dog, ah. So o, a. In Italian, close sound is ombra, shadow, ombra, and the word ostacolo. All the O's are closed in this. Like the word obstacle is a little bit more open, so ostacolo. The open sound is o, and like example, io ho is the verb to have, I have. Another, però. You see there is an accent, so when there is an accent, the stress is open sound in this case, però, but. And the last vowel is U in Italian, U, like in the words goose and union, U. So Italian words like universo is not U, in Italian is U, this sound. So universo, universe, and unità, unit. So you see U and U in English and in Italian are different. So let's review. A, like in words pasta, fragola, Anna, Carla, Andrea. You see, always A. The E sound, E, open E, like in best, essere, essere. Close, neve, ne, e, neve. I, like words piccolo or questi and other more. O, again, two sounds, close like ombra or ostacolo, and open sound like o and però. And the last one is U, like universo. Pay attention, it's not U in Italian, is U, universo and unità. So the next time I'm going to teach you the pronunciation of the consonant. So we are going to see the pronunciation correct of the Italian alphabet. Okay, so thank you for watching this lesson. Please leave a thumb up or leave a comment. If you have any questions, please write it down or write them down if you have more than one. And I'll see you in the next lesson. Ciao e alla prossima!